Excellence Online. Subscribe to our channel now for more educational videos and press the bell icon for more updates.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Adnan Ahmed from Excellence Online platform. Today I'm going to teach you about a test and its types. Tests are the part of academic life, school, college, universities, as well as professional life. In all these segments we have testing, assessment, evaluation, written or oral test. So we are discussing right now types of tests and its importance. First we have achievement test. This kind of test is conducted at the end of the session, at the end of the training session or course or any certificate, in order to judge whether someone candidates they have achieved something or not, or the level of achievements, level of comprehension, level of understanding, level of comprehension power. In some cases this achievement test is conducted in the mid session to know whether progress is going on or not, in order to change teaching techniques, teaching methodology, or to launch something new to make them understand. So achievement test, a kind of test, it is conducted mostly at the end of the session, at the end of the course or training session or workshop, in order to judge candidates whether they have achieved or not, they understood or not, whether we have got our targets, teaching targets or not. This is called achievement test. In some books this test is also known as a progress test. But progress test is taken in the mid of the session. Achievement test can be taken in the mid as well as at the end of the session. So this is our first test. Second we have a diagnosis test. To diagnose, in medical this is very common term. In education, in language skills, to know someone's skills, it's his or her weaknesses or strength. We conduct a test. This test is known as diagnosis test. A kind of test which is conducted to know someone's skills, particularly weaknesses and strength, abilities and lackness or gaps. Why this test is conducted? There are certain reasons. Right? We want to know whether he or she is suitable for this course or session or this professional or academic domain. Right? Experts they conduct this test. Another kind of test we have placement test. In language centers, in computer centers, in all kinds of courses in which we have different categories and placement. If one is a newcomer, he or she, we do not know about their skills. So we conduct a test to know someone's capabilities or skills. So according to their skills, we place them, right? The experts place them in the level placement test. Let's say we have a course in which we have 6 stages. Right? For newcomer, we do not know which stage is better for him. So we conduct tests. This kind of test is known as a placement test. So according to test performance, he or she is placed, right? Level 1, level 2, 0 level, level 3rd or 4th. Number next, aptitude test. In our language centers, or we have a coaching center, we have aptitude, MCAT, ECAT or BCAT test. MCAT, ECAT and BCAT tests. In fact, they are not aptitude tests. By name, they are aptitude tests, but they are entry tests. To enter in medical university, MCAT. For engineering university, we have ECAT, and business university, BCAT we have. Aptitude test to know someone's hidden skills, inclined or inborn skill. This field, engineering, a particular within engineering we have different departments of engineering. He or she is better, he or she is good at this skill, inborn skills or inclined towards that field. So that's our aptitude test. As we can see the definition, it is designed to discover whether a student has talent or basic ability for learning a new skill or language or not. This is called diagnosis aptitude test. Number next is a proficiency test. Whether someone is proficient expert, good at, right? This kind of test mostly at language skills we discuss. IELTS test and TOEFL test, both tests are particular tests regarding skills, regarding abilities. To know someone's skills or ability, this test is conducted in order to know his or her capabilities, proficiencies, skills or abilities. These all are the kind of tests. Right now we are discussing characteristics of a good test. When we make a paper or test, qualities of test, standardized test, a test which has reliability and validity, right? When we are discussing this, in all tests, if you conduct, we have some situational tests, we have different approaches of tests, but to the experts, test designer, they believe in one thing: a test must have different questions in order to judge someone's dimension of dimension of personality. One of them is subjective and objective part. If you conduct only objective part of a test, you cannot judge someone's real skills, heading skills. This is difficult. In objective part, we cannot or we do not come to know composition skills, writing skills. Right? It may be a kind of assumption. We have 4 options. He or she, they do not know the right option and they tick according to their mind. But if we discuss about subjective and objective, both are good combination. Though this is difficult to check subjective part. If we have hundreds and thousands of copies, a machine cannot check. If we have objective, then without human, right, computer can check. We have this idea, objective test. So people have different criteria. According to the experts, test experts, our test must have 2 parts. Subjective part as well as objective part, apart from different parts of test. Second, we have questions must be. There are different varieties of questions. The questions of paper must reflect, must be, critical. If they are not critical, they are rectification based or cramming based, then you cannot improve the skills of the students. Suppose it's critical, analyzing, calculative, memorized, conceptual and task based. If we have these 4 and 5 dimensions of tests, then you can produce creators, innovators, pioneers and thought-provoking people. If we have cramming based tests, or you have informed the test before test conducting chapter 5 or chapter 6, these 5 questions will be in your paper. The objective of test will be removed then. Right? This is all about testing and types of tests. Inshallah, we will discuss the second part in further class. Thank you.